2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, child safety locks, power door locks, passenger airbag, CD player, power windows, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.